Is your Ethereum transaction stuck in limbo, leaving you sweating over lost funds? Don't panic, because this video will show you how to rescue that stranded ETH. First, let's confirm the transaction is actually stuck. Open your wallet, like MetaMask, and check the transaction history if it shows pending for an extended time. Head over to Etherscan or another block explorer, search for your transaction hash. A pending status there confirms it's not yet mined. Now, for the most common fixed transaction replacement, this involves sending the same transaction again but with a higher gas fee in MetaMask. Click on the pending transaction, then speed up. This will rebroadcast the transaction. If you don't see speed up, you will have to enable advanced gas controls. Enable advanced gas controls in settings. Create a new transaction for the exact same amount and same recipient. Crucially, use the same nonce as the stuck transaction, but significantly increase the gas fee to incentivize miners. If you want to cancel completely, the process is similar. Create a new transaction to yourself, sending 0 ETH. Use the same nonce as the stuck transaction, but again, increase the gas fee. This essentially overwrites the original transaction after broadcasting. Monitor Etherscan. The original transaction should be marked as dropped or replaced, and your new transaction should confirm. And that's it. With a little know-how, you can conquer those stuck Ethereum transactions. Be patient, double-check your details, and happy transacting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.